Is it normal to have brown discharge after a period?
Hello there. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that many find a little uncomfortable to discuss but is vitally important for women's health. We're talking about brown discharge after a period. It's a common experience for many women, but what does it mean and is it normal?
What is brown discharge?
Brown discharge is a mixture of old blood, cervical mucus, and other vaginal secretions. The brown color results from the oxidation process, which occurs when the blood has been in the body for a longer period. Essentially, it's your body's way of cleaning itself out.
Is brown discharge after a period normal?
Now to the main question. Is brown discharge after a period normal? The short answer is yes, it can be. It's fairly common to see brown discharge for a day or two following your period. This is just your body's way of clearing out any remaining endometrial tissue. However, the discharge should not be accompanied by other symptoms such as itching, burning, or an unusual smell.
When should I be concerned?
While it's generally normal, there are situations where brown discharge could be a cause for concern. If it's happening frequently, lasts for more than a few days after your period, is accompanied by other symptoms like pain, discomfort, or unusual smells, or occurs after menopause, it could indicate conditions such as endometriosis, infection, hormonal imbalances, or in rare cases, cancer. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. So, brown discharge after a period can be a normal part of the menstrual cycle. But as with anything related to your health, if you notice changes or if something just doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. We hope this video has been helpful in providing a clearer understanding of this common women's health topic. Stay healthy and take care of yourself.